Hello everyone, welcome to the channel Destiny. Let's start current affairs of 20th April 2021. First question: Ministry of Earth Sciences hosted which edition of Indian scientific expedition to Antarctica? Answer is a B. It is a 40th edition. This achievement concludes 4 successful decades of India's scientific endeavor in the continent of a peace and cooperation. Ministry of Earth Sciences is headed by Dr. Harshvardhan. Next, Indian Railway will run trains transporting liquid medical oxygen and oxygen cylinders across the country via Green Corridor. Answer is a D. It is a Oxygen Express. Railway Minister is a Piyush Goyal. Headquarter of Indian Railways is in New Delhi. Next, India's Mirabai Chanu set a new world record in the women's 49 kgs clean and jerk with a massive 119 kg lift at Asian Weightlifting Championship. This is held in which country? Answer is a B. Uzbekistan's capital Tashkent. It is held in a Tashkent. Uzbekistan and Kazakhstan have launched the construction of International Center for the Trade and Economic Cooperation named Central Asia. Kazakhstan's capital is Nur Sultan, and Kyrgyzstan's capital is Bishkek, and Operation Khanjar is in between India and Kyrgyzstan. Here, Asian Weightlifting Championship is held in Uzbekistan's capital Tashkent. Next, UN Chinese Language Day is celebrated on, answer is A, 20th April. We'll see. There are 6 official languages of the United Nations. These are Arabic Language Day. It is celebrated on 18th of December. Chinese Language Day 20th of April. English and Spanish Language Day is on 23rd of April. French Language Day is on 20th March, and Russian Language Day is on 6th of June. Next, which ministry has launched a Gender Samvad event? Answer is a B, Ministry of the Rural Development. This is headed by Narendra Singh Tomar. Next, about Gender Samvad. It is a joint initiative between DAYNRLM, that is Deen Dayal Antyodaya Yojana National Rural Livelihood Mission, and IWWAGE, that is what works to advance women and girls in the economy. The main objective of this Gender Samvad event was to create awareness of the gender related interventions and to promote the need to focus on the gender issues. Next, Murli Natarajan reappointed as MD and CEO of which private sector bank? Answer is C, DCB Bank. DCB Bank headquartered in Maharashtra. Next, 34th edition of Senior Asian Wrestling Championship was. Next, famous sportsman Ahmed Hussein Lala has passed away due to COVID-19. He was associated with which sport? Answer is a D, football. He was a part of Indian team that won gold medal in the 1951 Asian Games. Next, recently which country has launched its first ever mega food park project in India involving food processing facilities? Answer is A, Italy. Capital of Italy is Rome, and this year, that is in 2021, Italy is hosting G20 summit. Next, World Liver Day is observed every year on which date? Answer is a C, 19th of April. Theme for the same is keep your liver healthy and disease free. We'll see, liver is the second largest organ in our body, and liver diseases can be caused by hepatitis A, B, C, and because of alcohol consumption and drug consumption. Viral hepatitis occurs due to consumption of the contaminated food and water. Next, what is the theme of the World Heritage Day observed every year on 18th of April? Answer is A, complex past, diverse futures. Next, the first ever United Nations Food Systems Summit 2021 to be held in September 2021 in which city? Answer is A. New York, USA. United Nations headquartered is in New York, USA, established on 24th October 1945, and president is Volkan Bozkir. Next, we'll see some of the some of the organization which are headquartered in New York. First one is the United Nations, second is the UNICEF is the United Nations Children's Fund, and last one is the UN Women. Yes. Next, India's largest insurer, LIC, that is Life Insurance Corporation, partnered with which company for handling e-payments? Answer is C. Paytm. LIC partnered with Paytm for e-payments. LIC established in 1956. Chairman is M.R. Kumar, headquartered in Mumbai. Paytm headquartered is in Noida, Uttar Pradesh. CEO of Paytm is Vijay Shekhar Sharma. Next, which became the third Indian company to cross 100 billion USD in market capitalization? Answer is A. Adani Group. Before this, Tata and Reliance Industries crossed 100 billion. Next, who won Formula 1 Emilia Romagna Grand Prix 2021 held in Imola, Italy? Answer is B. Max Verstappen. He is a Red Bull driver. He is from Netherlands. Next, India signed MOU with which country on cities combating plastic entering the marine environment? Answer is A. Germany. Next, Indian Army Chief General Manoj Mukund Narwane attends Army Chiefs Conclave held in which country? Answer is B. Bangladesh. Capital of Bangladesh is Dhaka. Currency is Taka. Prime Minister is Sheikh Hasina. Thank you. Do like, share and subscribe.